peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4 here in Asheville, Florida. Oh, it's not Asheville, Florida. Here in sunny Fort Myers, Florida. We're heading to Asheville in a couple of days, so I have Asheville on the mind. We are working today on a 10 by 20 canvas. This is a test canvas for a commission piece. Well, not really a commission piece, a piece for my daughter. My lovely girl Taylor bought her first home a few months ago, and I said, honey, you need some art on the walls, but she's very minimalistic, kind of like her mama, and she has a large wall in her great room, and she wants 2 very large pieces. I'm thinking 30 by 40 inch. So I'm doing kind of a test run. She wants them very minimal. She likes black and white, and she likes texture. So I'm fiddling. I am fiddling with all of those things. This canvas has texture on it, and I love it, and I'm excited about it. And can you guess what it is? It's cardboard from all those wonderful boxes the little Amazon man brings me on a daily basis. Cardboard that I kind of, split in half to get the texture. What I did was I used my tacky glue and I pressed it down on this canvas, leaving some areas higher than others. I let that dry, and then I painted it with 2 coats of gesso. Liquitex gesso, and it's on there nice and solid as a rock. So I'm excited. I'm excited to give this a go. I'm excited to try it out. Let's talk about our colors right here in this yummy cup. Let me show you a close-up. It's hard to see the shimmer in that. That is this little piggy, and that is their Galaxy. Now this paint and this paint only was mixed a little bit different. I put a big scoop of the pigment in the cup, and then I put a big equal squirt of the Josanya Gloss Varnish in the cup with the pigment. Stir it up really good to make a good thick paste, and then I slowly start to add my pouring medium, which is a squirt of GAC 800, a squirt of Liquitex Pouring Medium, a squirt of Floetrol, and then we are almost done. Because of the Josanya being so thin and those pouring mediums being relatively thin, I had to thicken that up a little bit, and I put a healthy squirt of Owatrol in there, available on Amazon. It's the European version of our Floetrol, and it's a great thickening agent. So I'm excited about that right here. I'm trying to use this stuff up because I no longer use it for my swipes. That is Artist Loft Soft Body in the black, but it also got a squeeze of golden carbon black in there. Here is Artist Loft Soft Body in the white, all by its lonesome, mixed like the other paints, squeeze of Liquitex, squeeze of GAC 800, squeeze of Floetrol, and the Artist Loft paints all got some water. The piggy did not. And then our final color, or next to our final color, that right there is DecoArt Metallics, and that is their sterling silver. But I also added a squeeze of golden fluids in the iridescent silver to it. It richened this silver up so much. Let's take a look at that consistency. It leaves a bit of a trace before it disappears into the paint below. And our final cup is right here. That is Amsterdam Standard Series. What is that? It's the Lamp Black. And this paint, and only this paint, is mixed with the secret sauce, the Australian Floetrol. Let me grab that container to show you. Right there, we're 1 part paint to 2.5 to 3 parts of the Aussie Floetrol. So we're gonna put some color down, and then we're gonna splat some colors around, and then we're gonna swipe some colors around, and we're just gonna kind of get a little bit creative, guys. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I'm here. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
Turn the page.